you guys, this is Jay Newbie and you're watching Newbie Life. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe down below so that you do not miss another one of my uploads. In today's video, I will be talking about 5 things to know when dating a Jamaican man. Now, I think that, just a little backstory, I think that I am qualified on this topic because most of the men that I've dated in my life were Jamaican men. I mean, I have lived in Jamaica and that's just pretty much all I knew. I don't have an accent. A lot of people ask me, well, she doesn't have an accent. Are you Jamaican? Well, I am born here. I am like a first generation American. My mother was born in Jamaica. My father, my grandmother, my grandfather, everyone dates back. It's like Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica. And then my mom raised us in Jamaica. So I did some of my primary schooling and my high schooling in Jamaica. So that's how you know. And then, of course, I married a Jamaican. And I am a happily married wife of a Jamaican man. And we've been married for 8, almost 9 years. So that is why I thought it would be a great idea that people, know about these things when dating a Jamaican man. Okay, so the very first thing that you need to know when dating a Jamaican man is you must cook. Girl, you have to cook. Is it me? Because these guys in America, I mean, they'll be okay with just, throwing a burger on the grill or, stopping by your local McDonald's or just making a turkey sandwich for dinner. No. These Jamaican men, most of them like home-cooked meals. And they, require that they get that. And I see nothing wrong with that. I actually enjoy cooking. And, so just if you're not a chef, well, honey, you're gonna have to learn. Because they love their oxtail chicken, fried chicken, brown stew chicken, curry chicken, rice and peas, all of those things. Yeah, you gotta know how to do that. For sure. So yeah, cook. You must cook. The second thing, I'm just looking at my book here. The second thing is you can't be boring. Like, you cannot be boring. If you're kind of like daddy boring kind of girl, like your vibes are really, hey, what's up? He's not gonna be that into you, honey. I'm just being real. Jamaicans in general are very spicy people. Like, they're very, just hot and vibrant people, very energetic people, and they do not like boring daddy people. That's what I call it. But yeah, they don't like people that don't have much of a personality or are unable to show their personality. So you have to have good vibes, positive vibes. Okay? The third thing is you must respect their mother. Okay? That is a big one. I know a lot of people over here, in the States, like sometimes you and your mother-in-law, you'll probably bump heads or whatever, and you don't have any problem displaying that. Well, with a Jamaican man, honey, even if you don't like their mom, you just keep it on the inside. Just keep it inside. Don't even say anything, because that right there can destroy your entire relationship. Like, he will legit not like you if you're saying, disrespectful stuff about his mother. It's probably one of the unforgivable things. Like, you ever heard people say, like, go suck your mother, which is go suck your mom? That right there, if you tell a Jamaican man that, I don't know what will happen to you. But yeah, so just respect their mother. The fourth thing is disrespect. Jamaican men do not deal with the disrespect thing. You understand? So over here, I realize, like, some of these American guys, I'm not gonna disrespect American guys, and I can't speak for all, but a lot of them will accept a lot more disrespectful behavior from you. Like, you know, sometimes like it'll be like, boy, bye, or get out my face, or, you know, you'll even say like, bitch, please, you know, to a guy over here, and, you know, maybe they'll kind of feel some type of way, but then they get over it. Yeah, honey, you can't. No bother with the fucker, my girl. Like, don't even think. Like, don't even think about it. Just take it out of your mind. Like, they do not handle disrespect well at all. Like, that could either resort in, you know, you losing that potential partner. And of course, if you want a partner that is, you know, someone that respects you, you have to be respectful of them regardless. Or it'll result in what I like to call, you will get boxed down. Bam! No, I'm just kidding. I don't condone violence whatsoever. I don't condone violence at all. But yeah, Jamaican men do not like, they don't play about the disrespect. And last but not least, you have to have ambition. You have to have ambition. You see? So no Jamaican man is gonna stay with you or be with you if you don't have some type of ambition, honey. If you don't have goals, if he sees that you're just bummy, you know what I mean? Like, if you're just a bum and you just want to sit there and let him, because Jamaican men are really hard workers. I know we see sometimes on these TV commercials, like, they'll have all these different trades. They're like the jack of all trades. They'll do this, they'll do that, they'll do that. And that's the truth, they will. But they're requiring that as well from the person that they choose to call their spouse. And that's only fair, you know? So you have to have some type of ambition. Don't be that girl that's gonna sit home every day, you know, letting your man work, and you don't have anything going for yourself. You're not going to school, you're not working. Oh, some people don't even cook. Like, I hear the horror stories, and it's just very sad how they turn out. Like, I know this one girl, like, she used to party all the time. Like, she has no problem partying, but bitch couldn't clean, couldn't cook. She didn't hold a job. She never wanted to work because she's like, oh, well, I got me a Jamaican, so I'm good. No. What ends up happening is they'll either stay with you and cheat on your ass with someone that does have ambition and has bigger goals, a bigger mindset, or they'll leave you and trash you about it and tell you that's why they're not with you. So that's a really big one as well. You have to have some type of ambition. I hope that these 5 tips were very helpful to someone who is interested in seeking a Jamaican man, or you're in a relationship currently, or you just started. If it has helped you out, please go ahead and like the video. Give it a thumbs up, and comment down below if you have any other things you think. I mean, I have a ton, but I just thought that those were the major top 5, you know. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.